Hello, I'm Mihela. Today I'm going to talk about another endemic bird to Sri Lanka. The Sri Lanka white-eye. Sri Lanka white-eye is a small passerine bird in the white-eye family. A small greenish white-eye with a bold white eye ring and yellow throat. It is endemic to Sri Lanka and found mostly in highlands of Sri Lanka. Usually encountered in active flock within the canopy of forest and neighboring wooded areas in the hills and mountains. Very vocal birds, their calls are like It is featured in the 35 cents postal stamp in Sri Lanka. Named locally as Sri Lanka sithasiya. As you know by now, we regularly visit Nuwara. In Nuwara, the Sri Lankan white-eye is not that hard to spot. That is only if you are interested with birds. If not, you'll see that bird as yet another bird. As you may know, Sri Lankan tea or the Ceylon tea is known to be the finest tea in the world, and Nuwara is known as the tea capital of Sri Lanka. Everywhere you look in Nuwara, you see acres and acres of endless tea plantations. It's absolutely beautiful. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to see my next video about the white-browned fantail.